Hey everybody, Alyssa here, or Alyssa Explained It All. So today I wanted to do a fun little tutorial. We're gonna do food. I love food, I love baking, I love cooking, I love playing in the kitchen. It's so much fun. But you know what, in the morning when you're really busy and maybe you guys have kids and you're like, oh my gosh, I do not have time to be making pancakes and all this mess, cleaning it up, homeschooling, working, and if you do, you freaking rock, so keep on going for it. But this is just a really easy little thing that we can make. We can throw it in the freezer, that way we can grab it out whenever we need. It's a great little extra protein snack. Maybe you work out and 30 minutes after your workout, we know you need to have protein in your diet so you can help build that muscle. So this is a nice little extra snack that you can grab because maybe right now you don't have the accessibility to be going to the store, getting your protein shake and all the necessities to go into your blender and so forth. So this is a turkey and egg muffin recipe. I added just a few different vegetables that I had in the refrigerator, threw it in there, threw some seasonings, cooked it. And the best thing about it, we can wrap them in foil, put it in the freezer, and they'll be good. We can eat them whenever, just reheat it. I promise it tastes good. And if it doesn't to you, throw a little Tabasco on it and you'll be fine. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks so much for joining.
Making turkey muffins now. I have farm fresh eggs because I have chickens, so I always put them in a bowl and I mix them separate. That way I can make sure that they are all good. So just something to make sure of. Before you mix everything, simple, I have it all mixed just in a skillet right now. And then I'm using Slap Your Mama because I put it on everything. Just some basic pepper, some parsley, cayenne pepper. And then this I get from Planters Seed Company. It's in Kansas City. It's amazing. I love finding really, and yes.
Get it. So then you can take each of the muffins, you can wrap it in a plastic foil and then tin foil over that, and it'll last in your freezer for up to 3 months. This makes a really good easy snack, especially if you're home and you have kids and you just need something healthier for them and you ran out of apples and you don't want to go to the store today. So it's just kind of a nice way just to put it in the freezer, have it on hand, nice healthy snack, a little extra protein that never hurts either, and yummy. I hope you had fun watching this. Thanks for joining. Bye.